Hello, my dear students, good morning. Students, let's start reading the next part from page number 21. We had completed the chapter, reading the last statement at page number 20. Now we are to start the chapter right from the first passage at this page number 21, as you can see here. Very hopefully, he asked, she isn't married then? His voice didn't betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. Very hopefully, he asked. Ranga asked the author expectantly, very hopefully, she isn't married then? Ranga asked the author whether the girl who was singing a very melodious song, was not married. She had not got herself married by that time. His voice didn't betray his excitement. His voice didn't betray his excitement, but I knew it was there. Though Ranga asked the question quite hopefully and energetically, and the word betray stands for deceive. The word betray means deceive. Or we may also take the other meaning of the word betray means disappoint. So his voice was not disappointing his excitement. It seemed that he was not so much disappointed. He was fully happy at that time. But the author knew it very well that Ranga was not fully delighted. He was a bit disappointed at that moment. Since the author had already studied his facial expressions. She was married a year ago. The author replied Ranga. The author replied Ranga, saying it that the girl had already got herself married, a year ago. She was married a year ago. 1 year ago, the girl had already got herself married. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. Roasted means cooked, fried. Shriveled stands for beta withered. Shrunken, withered. His face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. When Ranga learnt it that the girl had already got herself married a year ago, his face lost its attraction, and his face got shriveled, got withered, just like a roasted, cooked brinjal, fried brinjal. भुने हुए बैंगन की भांति शिकाई किए हुए बैंगन की भांति उसका चेहरा मुरझा गया. उसके चेहरे पर उदासी छा गई. आफ्टर वाइल रंगा लेफ्ट सेइंग. आफ्टर सम टाइम रंगा लेफ्ट द प्लेस, लेफ्ट the author's house, saying it that I must go. He would have to go then. I have work at home. He also told the narrator that he had some important work at his home. That's why he would like to go and attend the job. I went to our Shastri the next morning and told him. The author visited Shastri's house the very next morning, following morning. On the morning of the following day, the author went to Shastri's house, who also lived in Hosahalli, and told him. When he visited their Shastri's house, he reported him, keep everything ready to read the stars. he told the Shastri that he must keep each and everything. He must keep each and everything quite ready, fully ready to read the stars. Okay, nakshatra जो होते हैं. I will come later. He also told Shastri that he would like to come to him a bit later. I tutored him. Tutored means taught him privately. Taught him privately. I tutored him in all that I wanted him to say. The author taught each and everything. Okay, the author taught each and everything regarding that case to Shastri, what he really wanted him to say in the presence of Ranga. The author had already told Shastri each and everything regarding that the matter, okay, which he wanted to make him say in the presence of Ranga. रंगा की उपस्थिति में जो कुछ भी शास्त्री जी से वह कहलवाना चाहता था, वो सारी की सारी बातें लेखक ने पहले ही शास्त्री को समझा दी कि मैं आपके पास आऊँगा, रंगा नाम का एक लड़का भी आपके पास मेरे साथ आएगा और हम इस प्रकार से दोनों बैठेंगे आपके घर पर. मैं इस लड़के के ग्रह नक्षत्रों को लेकर के आपसे कुछ ऐसा कहूँगा कि भाई आप अपने पंचांग में देख करके और ज़रा बताएं कि भाई क्या इस लड़के के नक्षत्र ठीक है कि नहीं, ग्रह नक्षत्र ठीक चल रहे हैं कि नहीं चल रहे हैं, इसके भाग्य में क्या लिखा है. इस प्रकार की मैं कुछ बातें करूँगा और आपको सभी तरह से मेरा साथ देना है. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. On the afternoon of the same day, on the morning of the following day, the author visited Shastri's house and taught him, or you may say told him, each and everything regarding that case in advance before they met him in the afternoon hours. Okay, so on the afternoon of the same day, okay, the author called Ranga and they both met together again. I found no change in Ranga when I met him that afternoon. Okay, in the afternoon hours of the same day when the author met Ranga, he found no change in his feelings. What's the matter? The author asked Ranga what the matter was with him, why he looked so sad and depressed, what had happened to him. भाई क्या हो गया रंगा, आज तो कुछ उदास से लग रहे हो. You seem to be lost in thought, I said. The author told Ranga that he seemed to be lost in heavy thoughts. It seemed that he had lost something, or he had faced a big loss in his life, or he was facing a very difficult problem. Nothing is wrong, believe me. Ranga told the author that there was nothing wrong with him. He was quite well and he should believe his words. He told the author that he should believe his words as he was speaking the truth. There was no problem with him. Headache? Come, let's go and see a doctor. The author asked Ranga whether he had some headache. At that moment. Okay, if you had some headache, kindly come with me and let's go there to see a doctor, to consult a doctor. Page number 22 beta. I have no headache. I am my usual self. Ranga told the author that he had no headache and he was quite well. He did not face any kind of problem. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. But I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. I went through the same thing when the process of choosing a girl for me was going on. The author told Ranga that he need not get worried, as when he was also a young boy like him, and he passed through the process of choosing a girl for his marriage, he also found himself in the same condition. He also started thinking so deeply over that matter of getting himself married. but I don't think that could be a reason for your present condition. And he also told him that he could not think that he was okay thinking regarding his marriage, since he had already refused, saying it that he would not like to okay get himself married at that time, and that's why he could not face such kind of problem. उसने कहा कि देखो भाई, मैंने भी अपने जीवन में इस प्रकार से जब मेरे सामने इस प्रकार की एक बात हुई थी, तो मुझे भी लड़की का चयन करने को लेकर के मेरे सामने भी इस प्रकार की समस्या आई थी कि भाई मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा सोच विचार में गिर गया था। और जो है ना, इस प्रकार की समस्या व्यक्ति के जीवन में आती है, मैं मानता हूँ, लेकिन मेरा ऐसा मानना है शायद आप जो है इस प्रकार की हालात में नहीं है, क्योंकि आपने तो पहले ही मना कर दिया कि मैं शादी नहीं करवाना चाहूँगा, मैं तो कुंवारा रहना उचित समझूंगा। इस प्रकार से आपने कहा है। रंगा स्टेयर्ड एट मी। रंगा हियरिंग इट ऑल रंगा started looking at the author's face, बेटे, continuously, oh, with his sharp eyes, without blinking the eyelids, आंखों की पलकों को झपकाए बगैर लगातार लेखक के चेहरे की तरफ और वह टकटकी बांध कर देखने लगा। स्टेयर्ड एट मीन्स होता है हिंदी में घूर घूर करके देखना। ओके, look at something, look at somebody continuously. Come, let's go and see Shastri, I suggested. Then the author suggested Ranga that they should go Shastri's house and meet him. It could be possible that Shastri could give him any solution of his problem. We will find out whether Guru and Sani are favorable for you or not. Okay. Falling himself in such kind of superstitions, the author told Ranga that they would like to find it out. They would like to find it out on their parts whether Guru and Sani are favorable for you or not, are favorable for him or not those days. उसने कहा कि जरा पता करते हैं कि आपके अपने नक्षत्रों के मुताबिक गुरु और शनि दोनों आपके हितकारी है कि नहीं है, आपके पक्ष में है कि नहीं है। रंगा accompanied me without any protest. Oh, protest means oppose. Without any refusal, without any protest, without any oppose, Ranga started going to see Shastri. Ranga started accompanying the author. Ranga accompanied the author without any protest, without any oppose, बगैर किसी अपोज के, बगैर किसी विरोध के और बगैर किसी प्रकार के ऑब्जेक्शन के, विदाउट एनी ऑब्जेक्शन, रंगा ने लेखक के साथ साथ चलना शुरू कर दिया। As soon as Shastri saw me, he exclaimed. As soon as Shastri caught the sight of the author, Masti Venkatesa Iyengar, what a surprise, Shama! He addressed the author by his nickname Shama, and he also exclaimed, Shastri also exclaimed with surprise, what a great surprise it was! What a great surprise it was that haven't seen you for a long time. Shastri told the author that they had not met. They both had not met. Okay? The word they includes here the author and Shastri. They both had not met each other for a long time. शास्त्री ने लेखक को देख करके कहा बड़े हैरानी के साथ, अरे श्यामा यार, कितने दिन हो गए हमें मुलाकात किए हुए, तुम आते नहीं हो। ऐसे उसने कहा। श्यामा इज नन अदर देन योर सर्वेंट द नरेटर ऑफ दिस टेल। ओके, श्यामा इज नन other than your servant the narrator of this tale. Through this statement we are told that Shyama is also Masti Venkatesa Iyengar. The name Shyama has been given to the narrator. Okay, so this is the word, this is the name Shama stands for the narrator, for the author. I got angry and shouted. Oh, Shama, the narrator of this tale, the narrator of this story, the author, in other words, the author got angry and he shouted. What? What? What stands for here? What have you said? Or what are you saying? Not have you said, what are you saying? Okay. For a moment, the author had forgot it that he should not have asked such a question. But he asked such a question. He asked that question, and he asked Shastri what he was saying. Only this morning? What he was saying? They had already met that morning. They both had already met that morning. The morning of the same day. उसने कहा कि आज ही सुबह के दिन तुम दोनों की मुलाकात हुई मेरे भाई. तुम क्यों कह रहे हो शास्त्री जी, हमें बहुत दिन हो गए मुलाकात किए हुए. शास्त्री completed my sentence. Oh, Shastri understood the sense of the question and he turned the question's formation in some other way, other direction, and he completed his sentence. Shastri completed the sentence of the author. The author had forgot for a moment that he should not put such a question, he should not give such a question to Shastri. कुछ समय के लिए, एक क्षण के लिए लेखक को ध्यान नहीं रहा ये कहना, अन्यथा उसको कहना नहीं चाहिए था. यदि ऐसा कहेगा तो उसको किसको, रंगा को ये बात पता चल जाएगा कि यार आज सुबह मुलाकात इन दोनों के बीच में, इसका मतलब तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है. यू फिनिश्ड ऑल योर वर्क एंड आर नाउ फ्री टू विजिट मी. ओके, यू फिनिश्ड ऑल योर वर्क एंड आर नाउ फ्री टू विजिट मी. बेटा, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज मेड बाय शास्त्री. शास्त्री टोल्ड द ऑथर श्यामा, the narrator, that he had finished his all domestic work and he had got some free time to visit him. He had finished his all work first and then he had come there to visit him. पहले तो तुम अपना सारा काम पूरा किया, उसके बाद तुम हमारे पास मुलाकात करने के लिए आए हो. कोई बात नहीं. Had he not done so, I would have ruined our plan by bursting like grains that are kept in the sun to dry. If Shastri had not completed the sentence, all the plans made by the author had been totally ruined, spoiled, shattered into pieces, just like the grains which are put in the blazing heat of the sun. Okay, and when the grains are put in the blazing heat of the sun, okay, for a long time, they get burst. वे फूट करके टूट जाते हैं. इस प्रकार से जैसे गेहूं के दाने होते हैं, भिगे हुए दाने होते हैं, उनको सुखाने के लिए रख दिया जाता है सूर्य की तेज़ धूप में, तो वे टूट जाते हैं, टूटने लग जाते हैं. कहते हैं इसी प्रकार से जैसे कि सूर्य की तेज़ धूप में सुखाए गए दाने बिखर जाते हैं, टूट जाते हैं, टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाते हैं, ठीक वैसे ही मेरी अपनी पूरी योजना चौपट हो जाती और मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाता. I was extremely careful of what I said afterwards. Thereafter, the author, kept himself fully careful and he did not speak any such kind of a word that could create any problem in his nice plan, in that mission. उसका अपना एक मिशन था कि उसको तो रंगा को किसी भी तरह से विवाहित करना था. शास्त्री turned to Ranga when both Shastri and the author had talked a lot over their personal affairs. So, the later, the word later stands for the Shastri. देखो, जब दो स्टेटमेंट्स, दो सब्जेक्ट्स एक साथ रखे जाते हैं बेटा, when we use any two nouns as a subject in any statement, so for the second noun we use the word later, for the first noun we use the word former, F-O-R-M-E-R, former. Shastri turned to Ranga. When the author and Shastri, they both had talked enough over their personal matters, issues. Okay, the later turned to Ranga. Shastri turned his face to Ranga. He started looking at Ranga. When did the young son of our accountant clerk come home? He asked. Okay, when the young son of their accountant clerk had come home, what can I do for him? While addressing Ranga, him, he asked him when he had come his home, what he could do for him. It's very rarely that he visits us. He also told Ranga that, okay, he he hardly visited the houses of okay such the houses of such people who okay are expert in reading the stars of the persons. ओके मतलब वो कहता है कि भाई हमारे अपने जैसे लोग, हम जैसे लोगों के पास कहाँ इसके पास वक्त है मिलने के लिए. इट्स वेरी रेयरली दैट ही विजिट्स अस. बहुत कम कभी ऐसा कोई अवसर होता है, बहुत कम चांस होते हैं कि भाई इस प्रकार का बालक, इस प्रकार का व्यक्ति या लड़का हमारे पास मिलने के लिए कभी आता हो. बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है. ओके, टेक आउट योर पैराफेरनेलिया. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. Take out your paraphernalia means all the things, all the books, all the objects. Paraphernalia stands for all kinds of things. Take out your paraphernalia. The author told Shastri that he should not make any delay and he should take out all kinds of his books and other things to read the stars of the child of their Rangappa. Our Rangappa seems to have something on his mind. He also told Shastri that their Rangappa had some serious thought in his mind. Can you tell us what's worrying him? If he could tell them what was worrying him. What the main cause of his worry was. Shall we put your science of astrology to the test? The author also asked Shastri if he could allow, so they would like to take the test of his astrology. Okay, whether the astrology told them the exact reason of Rangappa's worry or not. उसने कहा कि क्या हम तुम्हारे एस्ट्रोलॉजी को, क्या तुम्हारे पंचांग शास्त्र को, क्या तुम्हारे अपने धर्म शास्त्र से जुड़े हुई जो ये पंचांग की दादी की जो पुस्तकें आप लेकर के चलते हो, कैलेस्ट्रियल बॉडी जो वगैरह पढ़ी जाती है वो एस्ट्रोलॉजी से रिलेटेड होता है, क्या हम तुम्हारी अपनी एस्ट्रोलॉजी का आज परीक्षा ले सकते हैं? देयर वॉज अथॉरिटी इन माई वॉइस एज आई स्पोक टू शास्त्री. ओके, व्हेन द ऑथर स्पोक दीज वर्ड्स टू शास्त्री, ओके, he used heavy voice, rough voice. Authority means थोड़ी जुबान में, थोड़ी बोलने में थोड़ा दम दिखाना. There was authority in my voice as I spoke to Shastri. Okay, when the author spoke these words to Shastri, he used heavy voice. थोड़ा भारी आवाज़ के साथ में बोला, लाओ भाई शास्त्री, तुम्हारे आज इसको पंचांग को देखते हैं, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा पंचांग देखते रहते हो, आज देखेंगे तुम्हारे पंचांग में कितना दम है भाई. इस प्रकार से बोलना. He took out 2 sheets of paper. Shastri took out 2 sheets of paper. Some codies stands for here बेटे काइंड ऑफ डिवाइस होता है, जैसे कि छोटे छोटे उपकरण टाइप में होते हैं, लेकिन ये काइंड ऑफ डिवाइस मैं नहीं कहूँगा, काइंड ऑफ स्टोन्स होते हैं, वाइट कलर्ड होते हैं, वाइट कलर्ड एंड जस्ट लाइक इन द शेप ऑफ आई शुड से कौड़ियाँ जो होती हैं, आप शायद समझोगे नहीं, कौड़ी जो होती छोटे छोटे आकार की होती, सफ़ेद होती हैं. चौपट का खेल खेलने के लिए कौड़ियों का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. कभी देखा हो आपने महाभारत के उस सीरियल में, और शकुनी मामा के द्वारा जो चौपट के ऊपर जो फेंके जाते थे, पासे फेंके जाते थे, उनमें कौड़ियाँ ही फेंकी जाती थी, सफ़ेद कलर की होती है. सम कौड़ी एंड ए बुक ऑफ पामेरा. पाम एक टीक, पामेरा मीन्स leaves of palm tree. Books which were made of leaves of palm tree. मैंने कहा कि आप अपना पंचांग भी ले आओ. A book of Palmyra means a book which was made of leaves of palm tree. कहा कि पाम के ताड़ के पेड़ के पत्तियों से बना हुआ जो तुम्हारा अपना ये जो तुम्हारा पंचांग है, इस पंचांग को भी लेकर के आओ. ओके, a book of Palmyra लीव सेइंग, इसने कहा कि ताड़ के पत्तियों की बनी हुई जो पुस्तक है उस पुस्तक को ले आओ, अर्थात वो पंचांग भी ले आओ। ये कहते हुए आर्स इज एन एंशियंट साइंस अया शास्त्री टोल्ड द ऑथर दैट देयर साइंस एस्ट्रोलॉजी वाज रियली वेरी एंशियंट, देयर इज a story to it. Okay, the science astrology had a long story, but I won't tell you what that story now. But he would not like to tell him that the story at that moment. This is not a Hari Katha. He would not like to tell the story as it was not the part of Hari Katha, which allows you to tell a story within a story, which allowed a person, which allowed a storyteller, okay, to tell a story within a story. एक कहानी के अंदर को दूसरी कहानी बना करके, और हरी कथा से जुड़ी हुई कहानी नहीं है, ये तो वास्तव में हमारा पंचांग है, ये तो एक विज्ञान है। उसने कहा यू मे गेट बॉट, ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड द ऑथर दैट he might get bought. I will tell it to you some other time. Okay, Shastri told the author that he would like to tell all the things concerning to their science astrology on some other day. उसने कहा किसी अन्य दिन मैं आपको हमारे अपने इस धर्मशास्त्र के जुड़े हुए, ठीक है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी पंचांग से जुड़ा हुआ होता है, पंचांग से जुड़े हुए और खगोल विद्या से जुड़ी हुई जो हमारा ज्ञान है, उस खगोल विज्ञान से जुड़ा हुआ जो हमारी पुस्तक है, उसके बारे में आपको किसी अन्य दिन बताना चाहूँगा। शास्त्री moved his lips fast as he counted on his fingers and then asked, "What's your star?" Ranga didn't know. Fastly, Shastri, okay, started moving his lips so that Ranga could believe his whole story. And then he started counting something on his fingers. पहले उसने कुछ अपने आप में ही कुछ बोलना शुरू किया, बड़बड़ाना शुरू किया, होठों को हिला करके कुछ मंत्र इत्यादि पढ़ना शुरू किया। फिर उसने अपनी उंगलियों पर कुछ कैलकुलेशन करनी शुरू की। एंड देन आस्क्ड, फिर उसने पूछा व्हाट्स योर स्टार, तुम्हारा भाई नक्षत्र क्या है, तुम्हारी राशि क्या है। रंगा डिड नॉट नो अबाउट हिज हॉरोस्कोप। स्टार यहाँ हॉरोस्कोप से रिलेटेड है। Never mind, he also told Ranga that he should not mind. Shastri indicated with a shake of his head. Oh, Shastri, since Shastri had already been told about each and everything regarding Ranga's mental perception, that's why Shastri followed the words of the author and he started nodding his head. He indicated something with a shake of his head, means होता है अपने सर को हिला करके. While nodding his head, he इंडिकेटेड, उसने कुछ गर्दन का इस प्रकार से इशारा किया नेगेटिव रेस्पॉन्स करते हुए। इट्स अबाउट ए गर्ल। यार शास्त्री ने कहा कि भाई श्यामा, यार लगता है कि इस लड़के को कहीं एक लड़की को लेकर के कोई चिंता हो रही है। ओके, शास्त्री टोल्ड द ऑथर दैट रंगा वॉज वरिंग अबाउट ए गर्ल। ओके, उसने ऐसा कहा। I am sorry beta. He did some more calculations before saying in a serious tone. Okay, Shastri again started calculating something on his fingers. Okay, in order to foster his confidence in the mind of Ranga, so that Ranga could believe his whole story. ताकि रंगा उसकी पूरी कहानी पर विश्वास कर सके और ये ना सोच सके कि भाई ये तो झूठ मूठ में ऐसे कह रहा है। फिर उसने कहा बड़ी सीरियस आवाज़ में, सीरियस टोन में, इट्स अबाउट ए गर्ल। उसने कहा कि भाई ये तो कोई एक लड़की को लेकर के चिंतित हो रहा है। आई हैड बिन कंट्रोलिंग माई लाफ्टर ऑल दिस वाइल बट नाउ आई बस्ट आउट लाफिंग। आई टर्न टू रंगा एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई हैड सेड। ओके, बाय दैट टाइम द ऑथर हैड कंट्रोल्ड ओवर हिज लाफ्टर, बट when such kinds of things were said by Shastri, he could not control over his laughter, and Shyama and the author started laughing. And while laughing, he also turned his face to Ranga and told him exactly what I had said. He told Ranga that Shastri had also told him exactly what he had already told him. भाई शास्त्री ने भी बिल्कुल रंगा वही बात बताई है जो मैंने आपको कुछ समय पहले कही थी। हु इज़ द गर्ल? इट वॉज योर हम्बल सर्वेंट हु आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन। दिस क्वेश्चन वॉज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड बाई द नरेटर श्यामा, बाई द ऑथर। Masti Venkatesa Iyengar. He asked Shastri, the author asked Shastri who the girl was. Shastri ji, ये तो बताओ कि लड़की कौन है. Shastri thought for a while before replying. By the time Shastri replied, he started thinking very deeply over that matter, over that question. She probably has the name of something found in the ocean. Shastri told the author that the name of the girl could be on the stone found in the ocean. मतलब on something means stone और something कोई और चीज़ नहीं है. उसने कहा कि भाई महासागर में, समुद्र में कोई एक पत्थर जो मिलते हैं, शायद उस समुद्र के ऊपर मिलने वाले पत्थर के ऊपर, समुद्र में मिलने वाली किसी चीज़ के ऊपर, हम पत्थर समझ यूज नहीं करेंगे. चलो, शास्त्री टोल्ड द ऑथर दैट द नेम ऑफ द गर्ल could be on something found in the ocean. Kamala. The author asked Shastri whether the name of the girl could be Kamala. Maybe Shastri guessed that it could be Kamala also. Could it be Pachi? Because the next part of the chapter, and it will the last part will be discussed by us in the next lecture. Okay, for this day it's more than enough. Thank you. Maybe up to 22 page we have completed the chapter. Now I think one more lecture will be taken by us, okay, in this to complete this the very short part of this chapter. Thank you.